We'll guide you through how to understand what Printful is and how it can benefit your business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website on your desktop. Once you're there, you'll see that Printful is essentially an on-demand printing and fulfillment service. This means that when you integrate it with your online store, you can sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding any inventory yourself. Printful takes care of printing, packing, and shipping the products directly to your customers. To get started, you need to create an account on Printful. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in your details and confirm your email address. Once you're logged in, you can connect Printful to your online store. They support a variety of platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, among others. To do this, go to the Stores section in your dashboard and click on Choose Platform to select the one you use. Follow the instructions provided to integrate Printful with your store. After you've set up the integration, you can start adding products. Go to the Products tab and click on Add Product. You can choose from a wide range of products and customize them with your designs. Use the design tools to upload your artwork and adjust it as needed. Once you're satisfied, set your prices and publish the product to your store. Printful will handle the rest, like fulfilling orders and managing inventory. One great tip is to use Printful's mockup generator to create realistic product images for your store. This can help you present your products professionally without needing physical samples. That's a simple overview of what Printful is and how you can use it to streamline your business operations. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.